Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll go through how to make traditional pie and mash at home, step by step. Cultural significance of pie and mash. Pie and mash isn't just food, it's a slice of British social history. For generations, it symbolized warmth, community and resilience, especially in working-class neighborhoods. Its story reflects the lives of ordinary people, from factory workers to families stretching a tight budget. And today, it still holds a special place, not just on plates but in books, films and memories. A dish of the people. Pie and mash grew popular because it was affordable, filling and simple. In 19th century London, dockworkers and labourers needed meals that could fuel long hours without draining their wages. Pie shops became hubs where people gathered, shared stories, and took comfort in a hot, hearty dish. The meal's accessibility made it a cultural equalizer. Whether you were a factory worker or a child grabbing dinner after school, pie and mash was there. Families passed down their own ways of making it, with slight twists in the pastry or gravy. Some key reasons it became iconic: cost-effective. Cheap cuts of meat and potatoes made it economical. Nourishing. High in carbs and protein, ideal for physical labor. Community-focused. Pie shops doubled as local meeting spots. Even as London changed, the dish stayed rooted in tradition. Modern versions might use fancier ingredients, but the spirit remains: food for everyone, not just the elite. Pie and mash in popular culture. Beyond the dinner table, pie and mash carved its way into British media and literature. It's shorthand for nostalgia, working-class pride, and London's gritty charm. In films like Meantime or Lock, Stock, and Two Smoking Barrels, pie shops appear as backdrops, grounding stories in real-world settings. TV shows like EastEnders reference them too, linking characters to their East End roots. Books also celebrate the dish. Authors like Monica Alley and Charles Dickens used it to paint vivid scenes of London life. Even modern chefs and food writers, like Nigel Slater, reflect on pie and mash as a taste of childhood. Music gets in on it too. The Cockney Rejects song Oi, Oi, Oi name drops pie and mash, tying it to punk's rebellious spirit. It's not just food anymore, it's a badge of identity. Where to find the best pie and mash today? Pie and mash shops aren't just places to eat, they're slices of living history. Some have been serving the same recipes for over a century, while others put a fresh spin on the classic. Whether you're after tradition or innovation, here's where to get your fix. Iconic pie and mash shops in London. London's oldest pie shops are landmarks in their own right. These spots have perfected the art of pie and mash, keeping the legacy alive with every plate. Manze. Opened in 1902, it's one of the last original pie shops still running. Their suet pastry is legendary, and the minced beef filling stays true to the Victorian recipe. Don't skip the parsley liquor, it's made fresh daily. Goddards at Greenwich. Family-owned since 1890, the spot is a favorite among locals. The mash is extra creamy, and they still serve jellied eels for purists. The green tiled walls and wooden benches feel like stepping into a time capsule. Cook. A no-frills shop that's been around since 1900. Their pies have a flakier crust than most, and the gravy is rich without being heavy. Cash-only policy adds to the old-school charm. Piebury Corner. A newer addition with a football twist. Classic fillings sit alongside options like chicken and mushroom or steak and ale. Great for those who want tradition with a side of modern flair. Modern takes on the classic dish. Not every pie and mash experience has to be steeped in history. Chefs and foodies are reimagining the dish with bold flavors and creative twists. The Pie Room at Holborn Dining Room. Upscale pies with fillings like venison and black pudding. Pastry is buttery and delicate, a far cry from the sturdy original. Perfect for those who want gourmet without losing the comfort food vibe. Mother mash lets you build your own plate. Offers sweet potato mash or cheesy champ for a non-traditional twist. Their posh pies include options like wild boar and red wine. Pie Minister. A nationwide chain proving pie and mash can be cool. Vegan and gluten-free options mean everyone gets a seat at the table. Try the moo and blue for a punchy update. Daffodil Mulligan. Irish-inspired pies with fillings like lamb and Guinness. Mash comes with kale or celeriac for a modern touch. Their take feels fresh but still nails the hearty essence of the original. Whether you're after a time-honored recipe or a contemporary version, pie and mash is still thriving. The best part? You don't have to choose, try both and taste the evolution for yourself. Why pie and mash endures? Some dishes fade with time, but pie and mash sticks around. It's not just about the taste, this meal has roots deeper than most. From its working-class origins to modern-day revivals, people keep coming back for that warm, familiar comfort. So what's the secret? Nostalgia, simplicity, and a stubborn refusal to go out of style. Nostalgia and tradition. Pie and mash isn't just food, it's memory on a plate. For generations, it's been the taste of home, steaming pies shared at crowded tables, after-school treats from the local shop, or a quick meal after a long shift. That emotional pull keeps it relevant, even as trends come and go. Families pass down their own versions. Maybe it's grandma's extra thick gravy or dad's secret trick for the flakiest crust. These small traditions make each bite feel personal. And let's not forget the pie shops themselves. Those green tiled walls, checkered floors, and marble counters aren't just decor, they're time machines. Step inside, and you're part of a legacy stretching back over a century. The appeal of simplicity. In a world of overcomplicated recipes, pie and mash wins by doing less. There's no fancy technique, no hard-to-find ingredients. Just good, honest food that fills you up. Think about what makes it work. Affordable ingredients. Minced beef, potatoes, flour, nothing extravagant. Versatility. Eat it with a fork on porcelain or straight from paper wrapping. Satisfaction factor. Carbs, protein, and gravy combine like a culinary hug. Even its revival in recent years proves the point. Trendy spots might add gourmet twists, but the heart remains the same. Whether it's a hipster cafe or an East End institution, the dish's simplicity keeps it timeless. No wonder it outlasts flashier meals. Some things just don't need improving. Pie and mash isn't just a meal, it's a taste of history, a comfort, and a shared experience. From the East End's pie shops to modern kitchens, it stands the test of time because it's straightforward, satisfying, and tied to memories. The dish connects people across generations, whether through family recipes or the unchanged charm of century-old eateries. Try making it at home, or better yet, visit one of London's iconic pie shops. First bite in, you'll understand why this humble plate still feels like coming home. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.